Well, I made it here to the dealership. It's D2 Power Sports. They're the Indian dealer here in Greer, South Carolina. And they're going to fix me up with some new tires here this morning. Just got to unhook my bike and just move it around there, I guess. But anyway, we'll see how this goes today. This episode is sort of an extension of my episode I just posted concerning my latest attempt to make it back up to the Blue Ridge Parkway. You guys looking for a new motorcycle? This is definitely the place to come find it. Basically began with my discovery that I had a bad back tire, and I was showing a little bit of cord through it. And you adventure guys, these folks are set up, man. Y'all need to get by here when you're in the area. And that's where we ended the last episode. Oh yeah, this place is like a candy store in here. D2 put a couple of new tires on my motorcycle for me. They got Ducatis, and you know, of course, I guess I have to mention that I did agree to do a video for them in exchange for that. But they got all kinds of stuff here. With that said, my observations of the dealership while I was there certainly were not influenced by that in any way, shape, or form. Royal Enfield. Look at that right there. Boy, all you adventure guys ought to be able to get by here and find some toys, that's for sure. They're also a BMW dealer. This place is some kind of cool. D2 Power Sports is a very unique dealership. Oh, and you talk about selection here. Oh my goodness. Check it out, man. Got that BMW K1300 for you sport bikers. Man. And here's a Triumph Scrambler, a 1200 XE. The thing that I noticed from hanging around there for a few hours right off the bat was you could barely get inside that door before somebody greeted you. I mean, this is just like a toy store to me, man. That KTM 1290 Super Adventure. Oh man. There was a level of enthusiasm on the part of the people there. They got these R1200s. Boy, you could go, you could sure make an Alaska trip on that one, couldn't you? Everywhere that I went, and I did take quite a tour of the dealership actually, the repair facility, their separate storage facility where they keep a lot of their inventory, which is massive, by the way. I know these things are real popular. But boy, these new BMW lines for the street bikes are awesome too. What's really impressive is not just for their ability to service the local region, but if you're a motorcyclist, say, who travels and you're on a long distance trip, might be like me, who pulls a trailer, or you have a camper trailer, they even have a little camping area in the back that's fenced in where, you know, if you're going to be there for a day or two, if you're on the road, you're going to get priority to get repaired as quick as they can get you in. There's so much to show in this place, I'm burning the GoPro batteries up. Man, they have got the inventory here, y'all. But just in general, I found my visit and experience with D2 to be absolutely over the top excellent. Okay, now I need to walk back here and show you guys this. Oh man, when y'all are in the area, oh, by the way, check this out. Their vintage bike of the month. When's the last time you saw one of those? Oh man, check out this Roadmaster. Somebody needs to rush in here and buy this thing. And I was just speaking with some of the management here while I'm waiting to get my tires done. If you come by, check this out. I mean, this place is the candy store, y'all. I can barely get a sentence out of my mouth and I walk across something cool. But they've got just a really amazing and diverse inventory here. Check out these Ducatis, man. I mean, is that just awesome or what? Here's the good part. If you happen to be in the market for a new motorcycle right now, and you come here to D2 Power Sports in Greer, South Carolina, and you want to buy one, just mention me, Old Biker Dude, and you will get a $500 immediate off the price of your motorcycle. There's Miss Sally. I met her earlier. She's the office manager. And check out this bad boy right here. I'm sorry, but I would I'd trade my fat boy in for this. And like I said, come by here, see Johnny, you want this motorcycle right here, I can tell you right now, you mention Old Biker Dude, and he'll knock $500 off of it from the very get-go. They've got used Harleys. Man, I don't know that I've ever seen a dealership quite like this. They got these vehicles, off-road stuff. So I had came outside and realized the one guy had mentioned another building down here, and they've got stuff stuffed in down here. Oh, check out these Royal Enfields, man. Folks, I can tell you right now, if you want to buy a new motorcycle, it would be worth traveling here from somewhere else to D2 Power Sports in Greer, South Carolina. This place is amazing. Man, look at this Triumph Tiger Sport. Look at this Ducati Multistrada V4S, man. Some of these adventure bikes just shock me at the technology compared to what I used to ride when I was a young man. So I guess you'd have to agree with me when I say that this is probably one of the most diverse inventories I've ever seen in a motorcycle dealership. I had no idea that this place had sort of transformed into this. And I mean, it just goes on and on and on here. Does that one right there look familiar? It's like it's getting a little extra loving care there.
How you doing?
Hey man, how's it going?
Good.
Man, they have got some toys here. I have just been fascinated the whole time I've been here. It hasn't been like waiting on getting my bike done. I'm hoping they take their time so I can keep playing. I'm here to tell you, if you happen to be one of the kind of people that likes these kind of vehicles, they have got more of this stuff at this dealership. I mean, like everything you can possibly think of, they've got it here. Well, they just came out and told me that my motorcycle is done, but gosh, I'm having such a good time here, I really don't want to go anywhere. They got the helmet selection over here. Here, one last thing I want to show you guys before I leave here. Check out this new Chief. Now, folks, I'm talking 116-inch motor, okay? This thing will absolutely scoot. If you're in the area, you're in the market for a new motorcycle, or you know, someone to service your already existing motorcycle, I definitely do recommend D2 Power Sports in the Greenville, South Carolina area. Like I said, I don't even want to leave. I'm sorry they're done with my bike. Well, the understatement of the year would be to say that I was treated well at D2 Power Sports. Man, there is nothing like riding on a brand new set of tires. Complete different game. I believe I'm ready to make my trip out west now. I just got off the phone with a guy who's got a trailer camper for sale down in Florida. It's a bunkhouse. I like those. They're a little heavy, but it's got the add room feature, and sure would make long distance nomad motorcycle traveling a whole different game for old biker dude. So I'm thinking about it. I'm an old biker dude, man.